for the music which is divine. My heart in its dust is a dying flower. Pour forth the sound like enchanted wine. Loosen the notes in a silver shower, like a harmless plan for the gentle rain. I gasp, I faint, till they wake again. Let me drink the spirit of that sweet sound. More, oh more, I am lost in it. It loosens the serpent which care has bound. Up on my heart to stifle it, the dissolving stream through every vein passes into my heart and brain. As the scent of violet weathered up, which grew by the brink of a silver lake. When the hot noon has drained its dewy cup, and the mist there was known its dust to slake, and the violet lay dead while the odor flew on the wings of wind over the water's blue. As one who drinks from a chamber cup of farming and sparkling animal wine, whom a mighty interest filling up, invite to love with her kiss divine.